Hey guys, it's Ami. Welcome back to my channel. This is my recreation of Alexa Demie's look. I'm gonna pop up the picture here or anywhere from the screen. I'm sorry if some of the parts my voice is not there because I forgot to turn on the mic, and also what the hell I'm doing. Yeah, I think that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this look. Love this look too. Hope you guys enjoy this look. If you're interested, then keep on watching.
Baby, I got something to say, but not now. But not now. But baby, either way, you know what I be wanting this on. But I promise you won't ever have to change. Baby, you know that I need you. I love you. I miss you. Only you, baby. It's for me and no one else. I love you. I'll do right by you. Let me take time to figure this one out, 'cause you know that I want you and you want me to. Baby, we don't have to rush just because we're both in love. It's not enough. Baby, we have to be. I promise you don't ever have to change. 'Cause baby, you know that I need you. I love you. I miss you. Only you, baby. Just for me. No one else. I love you. I'll do right by you.
Oh my god, guys. I'm sorry if the clip is going to be like only songs. It's because I didn't turn on my mic. I'm really sorry about that. So I told you this is going to be a fail. Okay, so for my acne, as you can see, I have acne. I do break out. I do not have flawless skin. Now I'm gonna color correct my pimples. I don't usually do this. If I use color corrector to tutupkan my jerawat, this is use the green color because it neutralizes the redness. So I'm just gonna use my fingers because I'm that bitch. So I have a huge pimple here. This is pink. Is this pink? Yeah. Yes, I'm gonna take this pink because it conceals dark circles, and I have dark circles now. So yeah. After SPM, I kinda don't sleep. As you can see by my eye bags, I don't really sleep. Okay, after you did the color correcting, then you don't blend it out. From what I learned, I don't blend it out because I want it to stick. I want it to stay, and I want it to be full coverage. So I don't blend it. Yeah, so for the foundation, favorite part of the makeup routine, I kinda use such a bitch. I use I use 3 foundations. Alha Alpha Earl Pro Police Foundation in the shade Fervy. This is Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation 24 Hour by Maybelline in the shade 312 golden, if you can see that. And this is the Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation in the shade 182 Warm Nude. So I mix all three. Sometimes I don't mix, sometimes I do. You know lah, malas sudah I want to. If you want a full coverage foundation, you can buy only this in your shade, but I don't know my shade, so I mix all three of the foundation. So I kind of put all the foundation, like wet foundation on my face, this foundation, and now I'm gonna put this foundation on my face. This foundation brush by Alfana. It's kind of not a foundation brush, it's a self finish, also known as foundation brush. So if you are not a full coverage addict like me, this is not for you. This video is literally not for you. And if you like the ones where you love natural finish, this video is not for you. You can control how much product you want to use. I'm not using a lot. It's not that much. I promise you, I'm not this white. Every tap runs when you look like a peanut butter baby. I hate myself, guys. When doing your foundation, simpan, because I have OCD. I cannot see banyak barang dekat atas meja. So I'm gonna take a concealer. It's optional for you if you do not want to use concealer, but I do want to use it because I'm that bitch that does. You put your concealer. There's a variety of techniques you can apply your concealer and also your foundation. How I apply my foundation is I use a brush. As you can see, makeup artists, they use sponges, but no, I don't. I'm not a makeup artist anyways. To me, more full coverage towards my face because I have acne. Why people say I have 10 pounds of makeup, 20, 50 pounds of makeup? No, I use a small amount of foundation. So the techniques, you just have to know. You buff out your foundation so that you have a flawless finish, like me. I started doing makeup when I was 14, and I don't use foundation because I hate foundation. Okay, that's a shitload of concealer. I don't usually do this, but Alexa, her under eyes are very bright. As you cannot see that. Using the shade 20 Sand. If you want a natural look, find a full coverage concealer because it won't look so cakey, it won't look so tebal. So find a full coverage concealer. For example, this Fit Me concealer, or that is so rude. So my camera ran out of battery after you blended out the concealer. After I put concealer under my eyes, I put it a bit here. It's like just a bit on the bridge of the nose, down here, and I will take a lighter concealer, this part, this, then I take my darkest concealer. I put it a bit higher because I don't want it to look like, I don't want my face to look old, appear old, so I have to put it a bit up. Put it here. Oh, sorry. And then on the sides of my nose because I want to contour my nose. So I'm taking this angle brush. I don't know how to do this because it's already focused. So brush it upwards. You don't brush it downwards because eyes, you will appear even old. For my nose contour, I take this type of brush to buff it out. So this is the part where I bake using a translucent powder. Now I just want to try this pressed powder. So I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Make sure you set your entire face, but also make sure that you don't put too much powder because you will then look cakey. Use the translucent powder. I normally use the Laura Mercier, but I ran out, so my mom, I kind of stole this from my mom. It's the AHAHAHA Alpha Cosmetic Translucent for light to medium skin, the shade 02. So yeah, translucent is like, you know, transparent, but it sets your face more matte. It depends on what type of translucent powder you're using towards your face. Sometimes I bake, sometimes I don't, but normally I bake. I want my face to appear more, you know, I don't know what I'm saying. So I take this beauty blender with flat side so that I could cut my cheekbones. So you bake the side of your nose. Like that. You bake under your contour. What I like to do with my baking is that I smile. You let your face bake for like, I don't know, 2-3 minutes. I usually just let it be like this and continue doing my face. So now what I'm going to do is bronze, aka this is my cousin singing, bronze or contour my face. I usually bronze, so I'm gonna bronze. I'm gonna use this brush. So what I do is I do like this then I start here, then I brush it to my hair. More bronzer, just pack it in, you know. The other side, don't forget your forehead. I have a small forehead, but I still bronze it. I don't know why. Jawline. Now for contour. I contour using, oh my god, Poslaggio. I use this color, obviously. This product that I'm using, it's some part of it is affordable, some part of it it's not. I suggest you, if you want to buy like a bronzer, this is believable. You should buy this. The powder, boleh lah, or you can buy the Intuit one. The concealers, foundation, my eyebrow pencil. They're so affordable. So you guys should buy it during this MCO. Go to Watson or Guardian. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour. So what I do is I put it here, only mainly here, and then I would brush it. So you can see it gives this effect. Time to do blush. I do blush. Sometimes I use a coral peachy type of color blush. This is Feline by Butera. If you wanna dust off the bake, you can do it, but I normally don't. Not just yet. Leave it for a few minutes. How I apply it is I use an angle brush. I kind of put a lot. Then you tap off the excess. And then you smile. Don't forget to smile. Make sure you bring your blushes up a bit up. You put your blusher higher. Don't put it lower because you will appear more old. I usually do that. Kinda look old. So what I do is I take my brush, my blush. I smile. Oh my god, that was too much. Okay, what with that? Put it on my chin, forehead a bit. So I'm gonna take a powder brush. Just gonna blend everything out because it's way too much. I'm using my camera brush off powder the bake. Now I'm gonna do my nose contour. Start from the line that you contoured. So now blend it. You blend it to the eyeshadow. Then use more tip up. I look ugly. Dust off the wig. So when you done the face, all your face.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Now I'm gonna put the eyeshadow under my eyes.
Baby, I got something to say, but not now. But not now.
I'm gonna take a precise brush. I'm gonna take the black under eyeliner. This part. I'm gonna do that under my eyes. Take this brush.
2,000 years later.
I'm so tired. I'm gonna put this eyebrow gel. You can see it. You have like the colored one, then you're bougie. So you're gonna brush your eyebrows upwards. I'm gonna curl my lashes. So for lashes, I'm gonna use Visa. Then you wait for it to dry. And I just use my fingers to do it. I apply the lashes really close to my real lashes. Highlighter and setting spray. Setting spray then highlighter. I'm gonna set my face with the all-nighter setting spray wherever it indicates. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm gonna use. So I start from here, and then you do circular motions. You smile. I normally smile when I do this. Your nose. Above your eyebrow. On my brow bone. My camera is about to die. Okay, I'm gonna take my lipstick. This is Chocolate Fudge by Butera. I want to make my lips appear more rounded. So this is the final look, the recreation that I did for Alexa Demie's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm sorry if I said something that you don't really understand. You can just DM me if you don't understand what I said. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what I should do next. And I'll be posting my Q&A soon. So don't forget that too. Yeah, I guess that's all. Hope you guys like it.